Hello Smartizers, this channel is for entertainment only. Please do your own research before applying any of these principles. 6 facts about adding more horsepower to your car. 1. You can spend a good amount of money replacing your air filter for a cold air intake system and confuse your car's computer and possibly make it malfunction and throw a check engine light depending on make and model of your car. But there is no cold air to be found in anywhere in your engine compartment. So although it looks good on TV when other people do it, it's not a practical thing to do. So avoid it. If anything, consider paying 2 to 4 times the price of a regular air filter for a high-performance drop-in air filter if a 2 to 3 added horsepower is worth the extra money you have to spend. 2. When it comes to your exhaust system, the best thing to do is to replace your mufflers with a high-performance muffler made for your make-model vehicle. If you want to spend less money, a muffler delete, or maybe a muffler and resonator delete is the next best thing to do. Avoid doing a catalytic converter delete, so you don't get check engine lights and confuse your vehicle's computer and make it possibly malfunction. 3. When it comes to wheels and tires, keep in mind you are not going to the track every day, so just get reasonably better tires and possibly better wheels. Do not go to the extreme. You haven't pushed your old wheels to their limits and most likely you will never push your outrageously done new wheels to their limits. So the gains versus the money you spent is just not there. 4. Adding an aftermarket supercharger or turbo, changing your fuel pump to a high-performance model or getting a car tune, etc. is not only expensive but it's not practical. Unless you're building a track car, you don't need the headache of fixing all the other stuff that's going to go wrong with your car, because you added an aftermarket system that your car wasn't built for and cannot handle. You don't have wide enough streets with no traffic to enjoy it anyways. Tampering with the chassis, adding sway bars, lowering springs, etc. would be great if you were going racing on a track every day, but for street driving is not practical. Considering everything else that's going to go wrong when you start scraping your oil pan and bumpers and exhaust system after your modifications. Not to mention the driveways that you can never enter or the parking lots you have to avoid altogether. Investing in your driving skills, perhaps getting in the habit of buying better quality fuel and just simply driving your car in higher RPMs, even if it means shifting through your automatic transmission gears manually, leaving your overdrive button on the off mode when driving in the city and manually downshifting whenever applicable, so you can maintain high RPMs gear to gear is a much better way to go. You might be surprised as to how much untapped factory power your car actually has that you haven't experienced yet. So finding a safe area to practice pushing your car to its limit, improving your driving skills and handling your car and having a lot of fun doing it, is a much more pleasant and satisfying experience. If you can come to realization that if you have to add all these modifications for your car to be fun, you need to invest that money to improve yourself to become a higher earning individual, so you can just buy yourself a higher model car with more factory horsepower, that is factory designed for better handling. Disclaimer: thank you for making your purchase by pressing our affiliate link in the description below. You have enabled us to make a small commission and made it easier for yourself to find the exact products, as we recommended. Because of your help to support our channel, we can bring you more valuable information in the future videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. Bye.